Hello everyone. Now let's learn the phonic sound of the letter J. J says J. J says J. So can we begin with the story for the same? Jane loves jelly the way you and I like, right? Her mother has promised to make her some this afternoon. When Jane gets home from school, she has a slice of bread and jam and a glass of juice. She tells her mother that she and her friend Javinda have made a giant jigsaw of a juggler. Then her mother shows Jane the jelly she has made. Wow, says Jane. It is tall, red, and has 4 layers. She carries it to the table. It wobbles and wobbles. Jane pretends to wobble just like it and says, Jelly on a plate, jelly on a plate, jelly on a plate. All right? So let's sing a song for the same, okay? Jelly and jam, jiggling on a plate. Oh, what will I eat it with? Ch. So J says J. What sound does a letter J make? J says J.